Alright, so we're going to open up this Jeemak, and let's see, it says model M3 there, Jeemak on the side, some information here on the back, email, got some information there, Jeemak on the back, nothing on the bottom, on the top has the picture, decent little packaging, man. Alright, so inside the box we got a usual manual, alright. And then we have Jeemak, by sharing your experience matters. Thanks. Let me tell you thank you, give you some information there, redeem some cool stuff. Alright, so inside my box over here, accessories. That's what they call it in the streets, accessories. Alright, looks like some kind of mountain brackets. We got more mountain brackets. We have power cable, looks like USB-C, or just regular USB, you know what I'm talking about. So, and then we have another bracket. Looks like a strap. Okay, that's pretty cool. Tie down some cables or what have you inside there. Got your cleaning cloth. Got your wrist strap for when you want to put the watch communicator on your arm. You got more attachments there. Looks like these are all types of straps that you could use. Wow, there's a big one, man. I'm gonna have fun with some of these accessories here to be able to connect in different ways so I can give you guys better footage. I do like this. This is the one that goes on my tripod. I'll really use that one. That's gonna be really nice. What else we got here? Looks like more to go on your bike. Maybe helmet. There's another one. Then there's looks like a little casing maybe go in the back. I don't know. Let's take a look and see. So all of that is just all accessories, okay? And then here looks like they give you 2 batteries. That's really nice with the deal. 2 batteries there, and the camera. Yeah, that's really nice right there, guys. Yeah, look at that, guys. You see it? Yeah, that is the Jeemak 4K HD. Looks like the 4 got scraped off a little bit down there. I'm gonna pull this plastic off the lens. This is a wider lens than the one that I currently have. So let's see if we can take this thing out. So we just pull that back. Maybe the back comes off. Yeah, okay. We're just gonna take that. Okay, so there's another lens on top, or another to cover the lens. Okay. Yeah, look at that thing, guys. That's pretty snazzy right there, right? Jeemak mode 4K Ultra HD. Has your memory card slot, HDMI out. Has your charging port. On the back here has another little film that we're going to take off of there. Yeah. There we go. And then on this side you have some up and down directional buttons as well as a speaker there. Up top got a LED light, OK button. This is supposed to be a touch screen here. On the bottom looks like the bay for your battery. See if we can get that open. Oh yeah, there we go. See if we can put one of these batteries in there, see if it has any charge in it. Alright. And inside there you have some prongs. You guys can see that. See those prongs inside? You want to take your battery with those prongs matching up inside there. Just slide in. It also has a tab that you pull up with, if you see that. Alright. And I'm going to put this door back on it. Close it like that. See if we can hold this power button. Let's see if it works. Ah, look at that. There's some juice, guys. That's in full color there. That's really nice. Alright. Select mode. Alright. Let's go with video recording. Alright, we can enter settings, enter album, swipe down for quick menu, left to right to slide around switching shooting modes. Press this up top for the shutter button. You guys seeing this? Good. shutter button for better capture. You use one of these. I think I have a few of those. Also, you can get the app by scanning one of these. Enjoy your 4K sports camera. Thank you. Will do. Alright guys, so this is actual video footage. I'm going to try to record some footage, so I'm going to hit OK at the top. And there's no card inside. So I am going to have to get a card inside this thing before I can show you how it actually looks. And we'll show you a little bit of outside there, maybe of what I'm looking at. So we'll try to put, see there. Not too bad, man. It looks a lot better than the current one that I have. I think this one is going to be better. So we'll check it out and find out. Yo guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you. Wanted to show you the Jeemak Model 3 4K action camera. Nice little blue light on the front. Got a little flash down here, I believe. Hey, I'm gonna tell you guys, piece together, not separate. And I'll holler at y'all. Till next time, man. Check it out. The Jeemak 4K. It's about 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Get you one. Record in action. Peace.